Today's video is regarding Canon PIXMA TS700 printer. I'm going to show you how to replace or install the ink cartridges. Now first step is to switch on the printer, open the ink cartridge door which is just here, and you will see the ink cartridge chamber here. It will move to the position. Now we have to remove the ink cartridges. So there is a lock here. So you will see there is a lock here, so press it and take the ink cartridge out. And to install the new ink cartridge, place it like this. The head will go to the front and press it down from this end. It will lock, and match the alphabets and the color. Now close the ink cartridge chamber door and your printer is ready to use. Thanks for watching.